Okay, so when we did the experiment going from honey to rubbing alcohol, most dense to least dense, it turned out the milk and the water, they mixed together, and the the corn syrup and the maple syrup mixed together at the bottom, but the vegetable oil and the rubbing alcohol mixed together. But when we did it from rubbing alcohol to honey, the maple syrup and the corn syrup didn't mix, and the water and the milk still mixed. That's why it's white. And the vegetable oil and the rubbing alcohol did not mix. The alcohol stayed clear, and the vegetable oil still stayed the same color.
Now, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Now, do you think that the ones you think are mixed, what happens if we come back and check in an hour? Do you think the milk and the water will still be the same? Do you think water and milk actually have the same density? You think so?
I think that milk and water do have the same density, but I feel like if we leave it here and we come back, that the vegetable oil and the rubbing alcohol are gonna separate.
Okay.
And the maple syrup and the corn syrup. I have a
Well,
question.
what's something in milk that would change its density when we
Well,
were?
maybe I have a question. We didn't use the whole milk. We
did-
used the 2%.
We use 2% milk.
I have a question. Why is the alcohol called rubbing alcohol if you don't rub it?
You can rub it.
You can? Does it hurt? No,
If
on
you
open
have,
wounds.
if you have an open wound, it probably sting a little bit.
And
It
maybe
means to not confuse with other kinds of alcohol, because sometimes you use alcohol for maybe in makeup. You might use alcohol in cars or in other chemical things. So rubbing alcohol means it's safe to put on your skin for. So it doesn't mean rubbing or not rubbing.
And also, we used warm water instead of like room temperature water. So that must have been why it mixed into the milk, probably.
So I think we should wait and come back and check on the milk and water because I have my own hypothesis of which one is more dense.
Okay.
All right.